Hi everyone, I'm Tess, and today I'm making a Korean beef rice bowl that will be ready in 15 minutes. Stay tuned! This Korean beef meal is quick, easy, and packed full of flavor. I'm starting by making the sauce. I have light soy sauce and I'm adding in some brown sugar. I'm using 2 tablespoons, but you can adjust the sweetness to your liking. This is sesame oil and it adds a tremendous amount of flavor to this dish. The final ingredient is some chili garlic sauce, and you can add Korean pepper flakes or even red pepper flakes for the heat, giving that a good stir and setting to the side. I have a little over a pound of ground beef, cooking and chopping until no longer pink, and I'm also draining off any excess fat. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. For more flavor, I have some minced garlic and ginger, and a good amount. Today I'm adding some red bell pepper and snow peas. I love snow peas for the flavor and crunch. Cooking and stirring for 1 to 2 minutes. You can add any vegetables that you like, or just leave them out. Now I'm adding in the sauce and cooking and stirring for another minute. The ground beef will soak up all that flavor. And finally, I'm adding in some chopped garden onions, stirring and cooking for another minute, and we are ready to eat. It smells so good. Serving with steamed jasmine rice and topping with some green onions, and you can't forget the sesame seeds. The Korean beef is also good with lettuce wraps and is a great filling for egg rolls. This Korean rice bowl is so easy to make and has so much flavor. Hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!